In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download LinkedIn on your Windows PC. Getting LinkedIn installed on your computer is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step as we make sure everything is done smoothly. So let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft Store website by typing in apps, microsoft.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account. This step is crucial because having an account lets you download applications directly to your device. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Creating one is free and relatively quick, so you can get started in no time. Once you're signed in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. This is your key to finding any application available in the Microsoft Store. Click into the search bar and type in LinkedIn. We're essentially on a treasure hunt for LinkedIn in the vast archive of apps, so make sure the name is spelled correctly to pull up the right results. After typing LinkedIn, hit the enter key or click the search icon, which is usually shaped like a magnifying glass. The page will then refresh, displaying a list of search results. Among these results, look for the official LinkedIn app. It's typically easy to spot as it will have the familiar blue logo representing LinkedIn. Once you've found the correct app, click on it to open its download page. Here, you'll see detailed information about the app, including its features and user reviews. Don't hesitate to take a moment to read through this information if you're curious about what you're getting. Now that you're on the LinkedIn app page, you'll notice a button that says download. Clicking this button will start the installation process on your PC. If prompted, confirm your selection and allow any necessary permissions. Your device might take a few moments to complete the download depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, LinkedIn will be installed on your computer, ready for you to log in and connect with your professional network. To start using the app, you can find it listed in your applications or search for it in your start menu. Simply click on it and you're all set to explore LinkedIn's vast array of networking tools. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully downloaded and installed LinkedIn on your Windows PC. This should make your professional networking activities that much easier, as you'll have quick access right from your desktop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.